6 reasons why New Year's resolutions don't work. It's hilarious how most individuals were planning for New Year's resolutions and achieve nothing by the end of the next year. This year will be different. They promise. This year I'm going to get rich. This year I'm going to get in the greatest shape of my life. But guess what? None of that will happen by January 20th, since they've already departed their set goals. The gyms will be unoccupied. Everything is back to normal again. Your bank account is not going to alter. Upcoming year will be the same as in previous years. But why don't these resolutions work? According to one study, 80% of all New Year's resolutions fail. Here are 6 reasons why your resolutions aren't working. Number 1. There is no genuine commitment. There is no genuine commitment, since the fight is followed by time and money. And I know that most of you don't have such resources, which is why you're likely to fail to keep your resolutions. As a result, it is critical that you devote both time and money. Make an investment in yourself. Invest in equities and diversify your earnings. You are more likely to succeed in your resolutions if you do these things. Second, there is no genuine plan. You must devise a strategy. And by plan, I mean the daily tasks you must do. What do you do during this hour? Before you sleep, after you sleep, and after you go to work, for example. You must have a plan so that you can follow it. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your time doing meaningless stuff. Number 3. The why is missing. People frequently fail to keep their resolutions because they lack a thorough grasp of why they will do so. So, if you want to be in shape, ask yourself, why do I want to be in shape? It might be to reduce weight or to improve one's health. If you reply to the latter, ask yourself why you want to improve your health again. You will eventually discover your true motivation for wanting to get in shape. This is how I did mine. Why did I start an online business? I wanted to be financially independent for my family, because I wanted to spend more time and vacation time with them. It is also for me to not have to worry about my finances so that I may travel, eat, and live freely without worrying about money. Number 4. You require a system of accountability. You absolutely need to have somebody keeping an eye on your behavior. And for the vast majority of you, that is not you. It is someone else, and it has no business being a part of your group. Check the description section as I offer a community where you will learn, earn, and stay accountable. Number 5. Okay, this is a pretty significant one. And the next thing that has to change is this. Your environment needs to become different. Okay, the people, your network, and your surroundings. In order to alter your life, you will first need to change the people who are now in it. If your friends are staying the same, chances are you won't either. If your family still adheres to this limiting idea about money, it is quite possible that you will think in a similar manner. Therefore, all of it must be changed. Put yourself in the company of those who have achieved success. Number 6. We require dates in the future. And this is a strategy that I've been employing for many years. Keep in mind that your velocity is directly proportional to the rate at which you perform actions. How quickly you can make a decision about anything will affect how quickly you can move into that decision and how much control you have in that decision. The longer you wait to make a commitment to something, the less of an effect that decision will have on your life, your community, your money, and your finances. This is relevant to all aspects of your life, including your family, your business, and your job. Therefore, if you want to accomplish anything, commit to doing it to the fullest extent possible so that you may see and reap results. So, here again are the 6 things why New Year's resolutions don't work. Number 1, no genuine commitment. Number 2, no genuine plan. Number 3, the why is missing. Number 4, no system of accountability. Number 5, unchanged surroundings. Number 6, no future dates. I hope you learned something today. It would mean a lot to us if you help us grow our community by subscribing to this channel and by giving this video a like. If you want New Year's resolutions, then do it the right way. Put more money in your pocket. Have a great upcoming year. Bye.